Hello, I wanted to take a minute to talk about nutritional values for a food company using VicinityFood during the R&D as well as commercialization process. VicinityFood is designed to provide on-the-fly nutritional value calculation for any formula being worked on in formula entry or maintaining of a master formula. On this screen on the right-hand side, I've got a formula established with various ingredients. Each of these ingredients have got nutritional properties associated with them. The calculation of using those nutritional properties were used to calculate the formula's nutritional values. Specifically, let me go into, say, liquid eggs, one of my ingredients. If I open up the component or the ingredient, liquid eggs, I will find that under the properties section, I've actually got some assigned nutritional values or properties. In this case, calories, fat, and protein, and I've got various values associated with these. These values can be entered manually if you receive them directly from your supplier. You can also integrate them in with ESHA's database, Genesis database. We have a connection to that, or the USDA database. So you can select from a list off the USDA database. It will bring in those nutritional values. You also have the opportunity to modify them here once they get over into component entry. Once those values are established for each ingredient, those values are then used to calculate the formula's nutritional values. As an example, I'm currently looking at a calorie count of 32.7 with a quantity for eggs of 3. If I make that number particularly large and navigate off of that field, I'll see those values increase substantially. Just trying to prove that as I enter and as I add new ingredients or change quantities on a formula, in real time I'll see my nutritional values calculated. Now these nutritional values are based on a serving size. Right now I've got a 12-ounce serving size, and that is specific to this formula. I can also go into setup and I can maintain any serving size that I would like, given a conversion factor between a system unit of measure, weight or volume, and a quantity associated with that, getting it to that serving size. So I've got my various serving sizes established with this particular formula. Now, not only can we do nutritional values, we can also do allergen disclosure. So in this case, I'll go into my milk as an example. I'll drill into the milk item, and under the area of attributes, I've established some allergen attributes. These are configurable by you. In my demo environment, I'm tracking dairy, gluten, peanut, tree nut, etc. And so in this case, I'm marking this as a dairy allergen. So when I do reporting off of this formula, I can disclose that I have an allergen along with any kind of nutritional information that I want to. Now the report that I'm running is a nutritional analysis that I did on my demo environment. This is being rendered in Crystal. It could also be done in SQL Reporting Services. In this format, I've chosen to show all of the ingredients in the formula sorted by weight. That's my choosing. I'm also showing the nutritional values associated with each of those items, giving me a good idea if I'm trying to tag a specific nutritional property, which ones should I go after. I'm also showing my known allergens. We looked at that just a second ago where we were looking at milk. Milk is a known allergen for dairy, and I've also in this format chosen to group all of my allergens together. So my dairies are together, gluten would be together, peanut, tree nut, etc. This again format is completely configurable. You can do almost anything you want with it, and our team during implementation is happy to make that happen for you. So hopefully you get a good understanding that we can do on-the-fly nutritional calculations based on an ingredient, and drive that up into the formula, and then report that in any way possible. Anyway, we hope that helps. If there's anything we can do, any questions you've got related to Vicinity Food, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks a lot and have a great day.